Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Farah and you are watching Caramel Fit. If you like these videos, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'm going to be sharing something that I'm so excited about. So guys, let's don't waste time. Let's just get straight into it. So we got here this box. I'm just hiding my address. Delivered in the mail today. So guys, it came today in this plastic bag. And let's see what inside. We have the order description, some junk mail from the carrier, which is O2 here in the UK. And this is it finally. He ordered black, but when my own comes, my own is going to be white. I personally feel like all the other colors was like green and yellow and purple. Although I would have loved to have yellow, which is my favorite color. I just find it's kind of childish. I know you guys see me wearing purple, and most of you probably thought that I've ordered the purple, but I didn't, because I actually prefer my phone in black or white. I don't like those other color, although I do like yellow, but I just find it's a little childish, and I think the purple is it's too popular now. It's like the new black. So guys, it came wrapped up in this plastic. It's being so sealed. Let's see how I'm going to get this plastic off now. Don't you just like when things come in plastic? Smell lovely and no scratch. So let's see what in here. So we have this. Of course, we have the stickers that Abby could probably play with. Yeah. And it have this pin if you want to open your phone to change the SIM card. And it have the plug. And if it's also got headphones. Actually, for this price that it costs, they should have given you those wireless headphones. And it have the charger as well. So now let's look at it. And this one, I believe he ordered the 128 GB in black. So that's 128 gigabytes. My own, I'm not sure how many gigabytes, because when I was on the phone with the people, I forgot to tell them how much gigabytes I wanted. So I would have to call them back again and ask them. So look at this, guys. Let's just take a minute to just open this. Can you hear that? Let me bring it to the speaker, to the mic. Nothing better than opening a new phone. I don't think it's actually charged. It's just going to be a minute for it to come on. Oh, and it's on. And it's just saying hello in different languages. I don't think you can see it because it's too bright. And Abby have come to say hello. Say hello, Abby.
Hello. Hello. Can I take them off?
Yeah, you could go and play with them.
Yes, I can take the sticker off. So I can take the sticker off.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so it's going to be a while. Change light. So, as you can see, guys, this being my phone that I've been using, you could see the damages to it. And this was the iPhone S6 compared to the iPhone 11. Let's do a size check. It's just slightly bigger. And the screen, we're still waiting for it to set up to see what's on it. So it's almost ready to set up. Let me not bring it too close because it's just bringing off this light. So this is the old one, the new one, just doing a comparison, and this is the one with the 2 cameras, not 3. So I'm just going to leave the rest of it for him to set up, and when mine's come in about 3 weeks, I'm going to make a new video of what's on my iPhone 11. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Abby, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.